Hello guys and welcome to a new video of Ways to Free Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about volume and how you can use that to spot reversals. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so, and also like this video or collect your bonuses for BitGet or Bybit in the description. So first of all, this is a brand new chart. Let's see what's on it. If you have a brand new chart, you can see that the volume profile is in it. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to make this more colorful, just like this. And this is basically also I add the volume moving average. So this has a much greater look right now, just in a few seconds. So now I'm going to draw lines just to show you guys some good reversal points. So here we see a volume bar, a spike. So I'm going to put one here. I need to move it so you can see how spot on this is. See, I'm going to add another one right here, another one right here, and it gives you a great idea of where the market can reverse. This one was not spot on, but still we had a pump to the upside. Same happened here. Same happened here and here. This was the bottom. Here, this was the bottom. And right here, see this? We had the spike to the upside, a green bar, which was at the top right here. So right now, look what we see. We see amazing, huge sell-off bars. So how does the market works? Another handy tool that I will show you is this. So take the magnet tool, take this high, then we take the top. Here we can see that we had a sell-off. Yesterday we had a pump to the upside, and then after that, this morning we had this dump to the downside. So now listen carefully. Oh, first of all, I take the money where my mouth is. So right here I entered a long. This is just a small one. This is on Binance, this is on BitGet. If you haven't collected your bonuses, then do so in the description. That is my chart. Here is my chart. So this is just to show you how you can spot good points for a reversal to happen. Yeah. But now you have to look how markets work. So here we have a pump, a huge pump. So a lot of people are trying to short right here in this area. So what does the whale does the whales do? They take out, because first of all, a lot of people longed here, also a lot of people shorted here. Now look, if you have a long, what are you going to do? You're going to put your stop loss below your entry. Now look, they take out all the stop losses and liquidate a lot of longs just by pushing the price down, and then they push it up. So everybody who is starting to short here after this pump, all those stops went off. Okay, now same happens here. You see a lot of times that they push the price a little bit lower to then reverse, and that's where the volume spikes come handy into play. Because right here, 2 days ago, a lot of people started to short. Yesterday, we saw a massive pump. So a lot of shorters, their stops went off. Now they're doing the same for everybody who started longing yesterday. So if you have a long entered yesterday, your stops are probably going to be triggered now. Or if you have entered a long right here, the chance is high that you got liquidated. So I hope that this video was helpful. You need to understand how the markets move. So right now we have made a low. So everybody who started to longing here, those stops are now triggered. So there's a high chance that the market is going to reverse now. And you can spot these entries at the volume bars right here. Okay. I think that was it for this video. Just checking my longs. Okay. Yeah. Guys, if you haven't joined the Discord, then please do so. It's free. Just check it out. I will post things like this there. It's handy, it's fun, and there are also some indicators that are free. Okay, please like and subscribe to this video. Collect your free money at the Bybit or BitGet exchange, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.